There were two friends who lived in a small village near Jaipur called Jai and Vijay. And they were friends since childhood and were studying at a college with each other. And this college was far from their place of residence, and they had to cross river and hills and pass over sandy areas to be able to go to college together. One day, rainy day, Jay and Vijay had to walk to college as usual, and know their way they were discussing what they had learned about atomic theory in college. They differed in their views, which led to sharp discussion between them that reached the use of vulgar language in a fit of anger. Jay slapped Vijay. Then Vijay, shocked by this friend, and got angry and wrote on the sand. Today my best friend slapped me. Then they both continued walking towards the college in clear silence. On their way, they reached the river, which has overflowing, and they had to cross it. When they walked towards the river, knowing that he could not swim, he started to drown, and with the force of the water flowing at the flood, he felt as if the river would take him forever.